Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick video on the Tuxedo Touch from Honeywell. Today I'm just going to teach you how to set the time on it. Sometimes the time's off, daylight savings time if it's not enabled, or if you just bought the panel and you're trying to set it up. If your time's off, this will definitely affect your scene, so none of the scenes will work properly if you're running off of the time. So we're going to set the time. I'm going to hit the settings button, bottom left hand corner. That's going to take us into here. We're going to go to System. We're going to do Time and Date Setup. You're going to punch in your code. I'm going to use the installer code in this case. And then you just simply enter the time, the date, and when you're done, hit the apply. It's going to ask you to set it to the security system as well. Hit yes. And when you're all done, hit the house key and you're back home. And that's all there is to setting the time and date on a Honeywell Tuxedo Touch panel.